Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from algebra, and here we have to find out all real solutions. So let's get it started, and I will begin with considering the product of these two and these two terms here. So I can write x times x plus 1 and then whole square. Here I will write x square plus 2x minus x. So x square plus x and then minus 2 equal to 144. Now I can write here x square plus x whole square, and here I will be writing x square plus x minus 2 equal to 144. Now let us consider x square plus x equal to a. So our equation will become a square times a minus 2 equal to 144, or we can write a cube minus 2a square equal to 144, or we can write a cube minus 2a square minus 144 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation, so we can use rational root theorem and long division method. So I can write our equation a cube minus 2a square minus 144 equal to 0. Let's write the factors of 144. I can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 8, and so on. Let's plug in a equal to 1. Will it satisfy? 1 minus 2 minus 144. No, it won't. A equal to negative 1. So I will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 144. It won't. So once if I will apply a negative, it won't satisfy. So let us consider only plus values. A equal to 2. So 8 minus 144. Again it is not. A equal to 4. 4 cube is 64 minus 4 square is 16 times 2 32 minus 144. Again it is not. A equal to 6. 6 cube is 216. 2 times 36 negative 72 minus 144. So this will give us 216 minus 216, which is equal to 0. So we can say a equal to 6 is one solution of this cubic equation. Or I can say a minus 6 is a factor of cubic equation. Now I will use long division method to find other factors. So I can write a minus 6 a cube minus 2a square minus 144. Let's divide. So I will write here a square times, then it will give us a cube, and then I will be writing here minus 6a square. Here I need to write. Now I will change the sign. So I can write minus plus. So this will become 0. Here I can write 4a square minus 144. Now I will take 4a times. So it will give us 4a square here, and minus 6 times 4 24a. Here I will write change of sign minus plus. So this will be over. I can write here 24a minus 144. I will take 24 times now. 24a minus 144. So remainder will be 0. So our otherwise factor we will find from our quotient. So I can write our cubic equation once: a cube minus 2a square minus 144 equal to 0. So a minus 6 times a square plus 4a plus 24 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either a minus 6 will be equal to 0 or a square plus 4a plus 24 will be equal to 0. So from this equation I can write a will be equal to 6. And from this quadratic equation I can split 24 as 4 plus 20. Now these three terms will give us a plus 2 whole square and plus 20 equal to 0. I can write a plus 2 whole square will be equal to negative 20. For real solutions, square of any number will be always positive. How it can be equal to negative number? So we can conclude complex solutions will generate. So easily we can reject this quadratic equation. So only solution which we are going to accept, a equal to 6. So I will write here a equal to 6 and a was our substitution. X times x plus 1 equal to 6. I can write here x square plus x equal to 6. X square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Let us solve using completing the square method. So coefficient of x is 1. Half of that it will be 1 over 2 and the square of that number will be 1 over 4. So we will add 1 over 4 and subtract 1 over 4 to our equation. So x square plus x plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 6 equal to 0. Now these three terms will give us again one perfect square of x plus half. And here I will simplify. So I can write minus 25 over 4 equal to 0. Or I can write x plus 1 over 2 whole square will be equal to 25 over 4. Now I will consider square root both sides. So I can write here x plus half will be equal to plus minus 5 over 2. Now subtract half from both sides. So I will write minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So this term will be over. I will write x equal to plus 5 over 2 minus half and minus 5 over 2 minus half. So I can write here 5 minus 1 over 2 and here I can write negative 5 negative 1 over 2 which will give us 4 over 2 and negative 6 over 2. So we can write here 2 and negative 3. X equal to 2 and negative 3. Let's cross examine. I will write here check x equal to 2. So I will begin from our LHS. I can write 2 square 2 plus 1. So it will be 3 square 2 minus 1. So it will be 1. 2 plus 2. It will be 4. So we can write here 4 times 9 times 1 times 4. Now this will give us 16 times 9 which is equal to 144, which is 12a square, which is our RHS. Hence, x equal to 2 is our true solution. Now the turn of x equal to negative 3. So I can write negative 3 square, so it will be 9. Negative 3 plus 1, so negative 2 whole square, so 4. Negative 3, negative 1, so negative 4. And negative 3 plus 2, it will be negative 1. So I can write 9 times 4 times 4. So again we are getting 9 times 16, which is equal to 144, which is equal to 12 square and our RHS also. Hence this is also verified solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Till next video. Bye bye.